Viewers, now I am going to make a review on Gama model number 17. See, there are three variants of this pen. One is red color grip, and another one is the green color grip, and another one is the dark blue color nib. If you see, there is NB nib, and it is a medium nib. And let us make a small writing test. It is having a silver body. I will show you after this writing test. Pen House is one of the best pen shops in India. We do laser engraving on the pens. Okay, the writing is very smooth. So totally we have three color variants in this model, and it is made of stainless steel body, and inside barrel is in plastic only. This SS body is fitted above the plastic barrel. If you see, compared to other pens, the thickness of the plastic is more. It is made of ABS, and as I said in my earlier videos, please use Vaseline on the threads, and also fill the ink below the thread level, the inner thread level. So maintain the level so that you will not get any leak. So again, use Vaseline for better lubrication. And removal of nib is very simple, and just you need to shake it and pull it, the nib will be removed. And maintain the gap between the tip and between the tip of the nib and tip of the feeder up to 3 to 4 mm, and then the flow will be very good. If you have any queries on this pen, please leave in the comments, and we can do laser engraving on this pen. Since this is steel body, it will be really looking nice. So if anybody needs personalization on the pens, yes, we will be doing. So this is a review of model number 17. Thank you.